today?
Hi, can you hear me? Hi, I need to use for my laptop.
Yeah, no problem.
Using my headphone,
But
I can hear you.
all through this.
You can't hear me? Oh, okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Good?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. How are you? Good. And how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm sorry, internet is
You're
not
well.
the best here. Yeah, now
okay.
we are in my mother-in-law house.
Okay.
The internet here is not the best.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. And how has your week been?
The weekend, the last weekend, we moved to here. We are living in Monterrey, visiting our parents. Yeah, for 1 week.
Okay. For 1 week. Cool. Cool. Awesome. And your wife is good? The baby is good?
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you. I said your wife is good, the baby is good. Can you hear me?
Yeah, they are fine.
Yeah, good. Okay, so I know that you want. Oh, you're welcome. Sorry, there's a big delay, so.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay, so I know that you wanted to focus on some software engineer vocabulary, right? Is that correct? Yeah. So I have a document with some vocabulary, and I can share my screen with you, and you can read the words, and then you can tell me if you know what they mean. Okay? All right. Give me 1 second. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this document? Okay. Can you read this first word here? Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Is it cool?
Could you expand? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There
abort.
Abort.
Okay.
Abort.
Abort.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah.
To end a program or a process before its completion. Its completion, what's mean with completion?
Completion means the end.
Completion.
It's a completion. It means end.
Okay.
Completion, yeah. It's another way to say end. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know this word abort?
Abort,
have
yes.
you heard this word before? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, abort
right.
a query, for example.
Yeah.
Abort the connection.
Can you abort nation? Good. Can you read the sentence, the example sentence, this one?
Application crashed. The user program and lose all his unsaved changes.
Good. So this one here, unsaved. Unsaved.
Saved.
Very good. Okay, so can you use the word abort in a sentence in your day-to-day work? Can you use it?
Okay. Okay. My query, it was my query had a lot of results, and I need to abort the connection.
Yeah, very good. Good. And the next one here?
Bug. This word is very useful in my career or in my job.
Is useful or used?
Yeah, I'm a test software, so I need to find a lot of bugs, and that's my main work.
That's your main job, to find the bugs in the programming.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Good. And can you read this sentence?
Yeah, an or glitch in a computer program caused by a programmer's mistake.
Very good. And then this one here, the example sentence.
Okay, an average developer will create one bug for every 10 lines of code writing. Okay.
Written. Written.
Okay.
Written. Very good.
Of code.
Is that true?
Okay.
Yeah, is that true?
Actually, no. It's
No,
just
it's more
average.
or less?
It's more. It's more.
It's more. Oh, okay. It's more. All right. Cool.
Has a lot of mistakes. He is not a good developer, actually.
He's not a good developer. That's how you know his quality of work, if he has a lot of bugs.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, can you use the word bug in a sentence?
I have been testing this program, and I found a lot of bugs.
I've been testing a lot of bugs. Very good. Okay, and then the next one?
Okay, closed source.
Source. Yeah, good.
Okay, closed source. Okay. Software in which the license stipulates that the user cannot see, edit, or manipulate.
Good.
Manipulate scope of a software program.
Very good. Do you know what all of these words mean? Do you know what stipulates means? Do you know what stipulate means, this one?
1 second, please. I want to... Okay, no, I don't know what.
So stipulate means that you write it. It's like a condition. It's a condition. So like to say that you can't.
Okay, I got it.
It's like a rule. You cannot do that. Any others? Or manipulate? Do you know what this one means? Manipulate? You're frozen. Yeah, okay. All right. Do you know what the word manipulate means?
Manipulate.
You want
to do some change?
Yeah, good. It's to change something. Yeah, to manipulate it. Good. Yeah, very good. Can you use closed source in a sentence?
Okay. Yes. Oh, 1 second, please.
Yeah.
That the user cannot see it. Okay.
I want to see the code of this program. Don't have
so I can
not
see
the source because it's closed.
Yeah, good. Yeah, you can say that. Good job. Okay, and then the next one here.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. But you're just frozen on the screen, but I can hear you. Can you hear me? Hi.
Hi, sorry. I have
No, it's okay. No problem. No problem.
Now I'm using my mobile data.
Okay, so it should be a little bit better. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to continue with the document?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would
okay.
like.
All right. It's helpful?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Okay. I think we were on compatible. Okay.
Okay. Could you help me with the pronunciation, please?
This one here. This one.
Yeah.
Compatible.
Compatible.
Yeah. Compatible.
Compatible.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Capable of being used without.
Capable.
Capable.
Yeah. Good.
Capable of being used without modification.
Modification. Good.
Okay.
Do you know what all of that means? Capable of being used without modification?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
And then this example here?
Yeah, the IBM 360 was the first commercially successful computer family with successful.
Very good.
Could you repeat, please?
It's difficult. Yeah, successful. It's difficult. So very good. Good job. That was good. Successful.
Okay. With a wide range of. Could you
compatible?
Compatible.
Yeah, compatible. Yeah, it's kind of like. Oh, sorry. It's kind of like COM come.
Compatible.
Compatible. Yeah, compatible.
Compatible.
Yeah, good. Can you use the word compatible in a sentence?
Okay, the EBM. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Compatible. My smartphone is compatible with different.
SD card.
That's right. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, awesome. Good. Or the new coding program is compatible with user software programs. Like, you know, so you don't need to like update or change anything.
Yeah, Chrome, for example, the Chrome browser is compatible with different
operating systems. Yeah, very good. And we don't need to like go through a whole upgrading process or changing things. It's just compatible. It's easy for users. Yeah. Okay. And then this one?
Crash. Okay, a computer failure which aborts an application or freezes an operating system.
Okay. Yeah, can you repeat this one here? Failure.
Good.
Failure.
Okay. A computer failure.
Yeah, very
which aborts an application or freezes an operating system.
Operating system.
Operating. It's
yeah,
operating.
Operating, yeah. Operating system. Good. And then the sentence?
The user was advised. Is advised or advised? Advised.
So advised. So to make the V sound, it's like you put your teeth on your lip. Advised. Yeah, good. Advised.
Okay. Good. The user was advised to reboot the computer after a serious crash in which the computer no longer responded.
Very good. Okay, can you use crash in a sentence?
My internet was crashed.
Or my internet crashed.
My internet
crashed. Very good. Ago. Due to poor Wi-Fi. Yeah. Very good.
What is the correct sentence? I mean, some minutes ago or a few minutes ago?
A few minutes ago. A few minutes ago. Yeah, a few minutes ago. Good. And then this one?
Okay, error.
Error. Good.
Error. Yeah, when some of my companions, my colleagues from my job, we today we were joking, talking about these kind of words.
Talking about these kinds of words. Errors.
They said like a dog.
Error. Yeah, it's so difficult because there's like so many R's. Error. And it's like the O is like like an E instead of an O. So error. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And the definition here?
Okay, an incorrect action. Okay, I have problems with this kind of words. Attributable.
This one here?
Yeah.
Very good. Attributable.
Attributable. Okay, could you repeat?
Yeah. Attributable.
Attributable? Okay, wow.
Very good. Look at you. Attributable, yeah.
Attributable.
Good. Very good.
Okay, an incorrect action attributable to poor judgment, ignorance, or inattention.
Inattention. Do you know what all of those words mean?
Okay, an incorrect action attributable to poor. No, could you help me with?
Okay. Which one don't you know? Yeah. Which one? Attributable? So you know what? Okay, attributable means related to. So poor, yeah, poor judgment, which means like you didn't think about it good. So attributable means related to, so it's a result of. Poor judgment means that you didn't really think about it. You like didn't make a good opinion, like you didn't take a good option. Okay, you didn't really.
Okay.
Ignorance. You know what ignorance means?
Yeah, when. Okay, no.
Ignorance
is. But I am not sure.
When you just like don't even care because you're like it's not important.
I don't care something.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like about saying I don't care about it. I'm ignorant to it.
Okay.
Or say, for example, I'm trying to teach you something and you're like, yes, I know already. You're being ignorant. It's like being rude. Okay? And inattention, do you know what inattention means?
It's similar, I guess.
To not pay attention. It means you're not paying attention.
Okay.
So in this case, this sentence is saying that a mistake happened as a result of a bad decision, ignorance, and not paying attention, because it was something that was avoidable, but because of bad judgment, not paying attention, and ignorance, they made an error that could have been avoided. Does that make sense?
Yeah, more or less.
Yeah, more. And then this example here.
Okay, the computer reported division by 0 error, and okay, with this word.
Automatically.
automatically,
Very good. Automatically.
automatically aborted
great.
the program.
Aborted. Aborted the
Aborted.
program.
Aborted.
Good.
Like,
Aborted. Yeah.
okay, like a R instead of T.
Sorry.
Yeah, in the word aborted, it's
Yeah.
like when,
Id.
okay, you need to use the R instead of T in aborted or aborted.
Yeah. Aborted is like the pronunciation, you mean?
Okay,
Are you talking about pronunciation?
sorry for the noises.
It's okay. Are you talking about pronunciation? Like id? Abort id? Aborted.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's in English, when we have like the ED sounds, usually it's like 3 different sounds. A T, a D, or an ID. It's never ED. It's just the spelling.
Okay.
So in this case, it's kind of like saying it like this. So
Could you
instead
help
of
me
ED,
with the-
it's like abort id.
Okay, aborted.
Abort id. Yeah. And this one too, like report id. Reported.
Okay, could you help me
Yeah.
with the reading of the
Yeah, of the
whole-
sentence,
Uh-huh.
the whole sentence. Yeah.
Mhm.
The computer reported a division by 0 error and automatically aborted the program.
Okay,
You want to
aborted.
repeat? Aborted. Yeah, aborted.
Aborted. Mhm.
Aborted. Yeah, good. Can you read the sentence again?
Okay. The computer reported a division
Okay.
by 0 error
And
automatic. No, again. Sorry.
yes, that was good. Go ahead.
Automatically. No, again.
Very good. Automatically. Good.
Automatically. Okay, automatically
Automatically. Good.
aborted
Good.
the program.
Very
Automatically.
good.
Yeah, I used to use an application, the name,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
but now, sorry, I don't have enough time for to
You don't
use
have
it.
any time.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
but in this
you have a lot
application,
going on.
you can improve your pronunciation with some words.
Your
So you have
pronunciation.
examples.
Yeah,
like-
and
Mhm. Yeah, you
yeah,
have
go ahead, like.
conversations or examples
Mhm.
of conversations, and you
Mhm.
need to pronounce the words with a perfect accent, intonation, and
With the
using the word stress.
word stress, yeah. Because English is complicated, right? Because, for example, maybe I stress my words differently. Even though I'm Canadian, I'm from the city, right? But I would say something different than maybe somebody from a small town, right? So it's important to like learn the different pronunciations, the word stress, all of those things. It can be really, really challenging. So
Exactly.
okay. Yeah. Okay. So I have this other one because there's more of these, but I have another one because we can do the rest of that tomorrow. Yeah. I have
Okay.
these ones. It's called business English. Do you know what an idiom is? Do you know what an idiom is in English?
Idioms?
Yeah, idiomas. No, that's language in Spanish. An idiom
Okay.
is like a figure of speech. So it's like a sentence that's not literal. It means something else. So for example, here. So this first one, to stay on top of something, is an idiom. This whole sentence is an idiom. And what it really means is it doesn't mean to literally be on top of something. Like it doesn't mean to be on top of stairs. It means to be in control of something or to not let your work pile up. Okay, so for example, I've got so much work at the moment, it's difficult to stay on top of it all. So, for example, maybe you have so many coding programs that you are doing, and you can say, in order to stay on top of all my coding projects, I need to be organized. So how do I stay in control? So, because in English, I would never say like, sometimes I will say I have so much work to do, but I would also say I need to stay on top of things, which means I need to keep organized. And does that make sense?
Yeah, more or less. Yeah, always is more or less.
Yeah. Okay. All right. More or less. You got to practice. Okay. So can you do the second idiom?
To be on the ball.
Yeah. Good. And then this definition.
Okay. This phrase comes from the sports field. When you are on the ball, you have to be alert and sure not to make any mistakes. It means the same at work.
Good.
Okay. The example is Sam's great. He's really on the ball and never make mistake. Okay. It's like
any mistakes.
when you are very concentrated.
You're very concentrated. Yeah, exactly. So it doesn't mean to literally stand on a ball. It just means to be really focused. So you're like on it. So you know what you're talking about. You're like really quick to do things. Yeah. Okay. This next one.
To think outside the box.
Good.
Outside the box. Okay, this means to think of a solution that is different to what is normally done, or to think of an unusual, how you say that?
Unusual. Yeah,
unusual, creative solution to a problem.
Good.
Yeah, example, we don't have a lot of money to spend on our marketing, so we need to think outside the box to find a way of reaching a lot of customers.
Customers, yeah.
Customers.
Does that make sense, thinking outside of the box? Customers?
Can I see again, please?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to read again. We don't have
go
a lot
ahead.
of money to spend. We don't have a lot of money to spend on our marketing, so we need to think outside the box to find a way of reaching. It's like when you need to test other ways to reach.
Exactly.
Okay.
Good. It's like finding, so sometimes people only think like this is the only solution. So it's like a box, right? The solution is easy, it's here. But sometimes that solution isn't a possibility. So you need to think outside of the box. Like, don't think about the normal solution. Be creative. Does that make sense? Yeah. Do you find these useful?
Useful?
Helpful?
Useful? Yeah.
Useful.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Okay, we'll do one more. I think we have time for one more. Okay.
Okay. To get the ball rolling.
Rolling.
Okay.
Good.
This idiom means to start something, usually a project or process. Example, let's get the ball rolling on this project by contacting some suppliers and getting some estimates. Okay.
Good. Does this one make sense? Can you explain it to me?
Let's get the ball rolling. Okay. Let's get
Do you need to see it? Yeah.
Yeah, when you need to stay like you need to start to understand the project.
Yeah, and you need to start it. So let's
Mhm.
get things started. Like, let's begin the project. So
Mhm.
sometimes it's like important to get the ball rolling, because maybe you're like, oh, this is difficult, but once you get started, it's a little bit easier. Yeah.
Mhm.
And I can share these documents with you so that you can like
Okay.
take notes
That
or
would be
review.
amazing.
Okay. All right. Well, it was great talking to you. Our time is almost up. So have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.
Take care.